Craving something berry refreshing? This smoothie recipe will blow your mind. Berry season is almost over, and outdoor farmers markets are closing soon. Time to stock up on those delicious berries. This summer, blackberries were extra sweet and tasty, making them my new obsession. Did you know blackberries are packed with antioxidants and have anti-cancer properties? They also protect against endothelial dysfunction and improve cognitive and digestive health. At the organic market, I discovered a superfood powder, Antioxidant Berry Blast. I couldn't wait to try it. This blend includes blueberries, acai berries, maqui berries, and camu berries, all rich in antioxidants. 1 teaspoon of Antioxidant Berry Blast delivers an ORAC value of 2,600, making it a powerhouse of nutrients. I added protein powder and chia seeds to make this smoothie creamy, sweet, and refreshing. Try this Antioxidant Berry Blast protein smoothie and experience the deliciousness yourself.